Hi everybody, how are you all doing today? It's me, Christine. Guess what came? Yay! Mailman just dropped it off. I have no makeup on. I threw a little bit of lipstick on. It's been a busy day. It's very hot. It's hot in this room. So I'm gonna unbox it and let's see what I got. And I don't know why that square is on my screen. We'll just move it over. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know what it is. Anyway, the lighting's not the greatest. I have all the drapes pulled shut. Yeah, I have all the drapes pulled shut. It's like 90 degrees out in the shade. It's been a real interesting day. My son was diagnosed with COVID this morning, and I babysit their daughter, so I had to go get tested. My rapid test came back negative, which I assumed it would since I already had COVID. And that's how my morning went. But I had to have a test, so just in case, so I don't infect everybody else. Alright, so I already cut it. I did not look in. You're going to see it as I see it. Alright, so let me see if I can pull this down just slightly. How's that? Wow, I really need to do my eyebrows. Alright, so first on the top is a mirror, I'm sure. And I don't know which one it is. It says Pink Sickle. I've never seen that one. I've been trying, I have not watched any. I only watched one surprise video, like from other size boxes, but this is the Supreme. I didn't watch any of the videos on it, you know, spoilers. Okay, Jeffrey, could we not make this tape like that? I hate ripping the stickers. I like to keep the little stickers. I think they're cute. That's what I want to get for my own company, my soap company. I want to get stickers with my business name on it. I'm going to try to adjust this light a little bit brighter. Oh, that's not working. Okay. Just seems so dark. Alright, so, ooh, okay. The mirror looks like a little ice cream bar with the little, that's cute. Mirror's pretty nice size. Okay, paper. Alright. Oh, okay, so this is the little magnet, magnet case for the little single eyeshadows we've been getting. And, I don't have a cutter. I should have brought my scissors up here. I just cut the box downstairs and ran up. So I was so excited. I waited a long time for this box. There, that's better. Wow, okay, the light's just being crazy. Alright, how do we get it open? Oh, okay, it's all magnetic. Well, that's cute. Look how cute that is. For the little singles. Oh, I see we got an Extreme Frost, and it's in Stripper Magic. Let's pull that out. It's inside there. Very pretty. It must be from the Blood Money collection because it has the little money sign on it. Really pretty. I hate to mess up the... Oh. Sparkly. Oh, it's really sparkly. Okay. That's cool. I like that. Alright, so got this. Ooh. Oh, okay, it's the Star Ranch palette. Wow, I like that box. It has like the indented lettering. That's really pretty. I'm going to be really curious to see what he comes up with. You know, just having that ranch and being out there in a different mindset. Oh my God, isn't that cute? Oh, look, a pink horse and a pink yak. Is that a yak? That's cute. Oh, that's pretty. All right, I'm going to... It has the little mirror up here, which I'm going to try to cover. There's the palette. A lot of muted tones. I mean, I can make a look out of it. Yak Farm, Owl Eyes, Open Range, Casper Mountain, Wyoming, Star Creek, Old Jeff, Grand Prismatic, Winter Wind. And I bet you that winter wind out there is something, huh? All right, I can see myself using this palette. Okay. Looks like a shirt. Maybe. Sorry for the noise, guys. I can't. Little Jeffree ASMR. Alright, let me get rid of that because my grandkid will eat it. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I get it. It's one of those. Oh, it's a summer shirt. You wear a little sports bra under it. Well, that's really cute. I like that. Tie-dyed. Very pretty. Okay, what is this? It's a beach ball. I am not going to blow it up. I think it's a beach ball or it's a donut. Nope, it's a beach ball. It has the logo on it. It's like dark pink and light pink and with the logo. Yeah, not today, Jeffree. It's just too hot to be trying to use up all my wind in there. Okay, and I got 3 singles. One's in Crystal Flesh, Blue Monday, and Blue Blood. So, I'll take the Blue Blood out. That's a pretty shade. And you take your little thing. Let me see if I can get this open. Oh, whoa. He's just flying out of there. Alright, so you open up your little pack. Stick it in there. And make up your own palette. That's really cute. I can dig it. Okay, so I got those 3. And a lip scrub in I don't know what flavor. And there goes my phone, of course. Because God forbid. I'm not going to open this because I might do this for a giveaway. So I'll... Where's my glasses? I thought I laid them here. I'll get back to that. Okay, so. Got a liquid lip. Oh, this must be one of the new colors. It just has the yak on it. Oh, that's pretty. Kind of like a nude. Oh, that's real pretty. That's kind of like, that's up my alley. That's kind of like what I got on. It's like a terracotta, pinky type color. I can dig it. And a lip pencil in Leo. Leo's a pretty color. It's a nude, but there again, I'm not going to open that. Just, I might do a giveaway on that. My goal is get up to 500 subscribers. I think I have like 78 subscribers. And do a nice size Jeffree box. And then my next goal will be 1,000 so I can use the community tab. And I know I've been saying it and saying it. I just got to get on a schedule where I can film regularly. My work has really taken off since I'm able to get, you know, supplies, and I had to change some supply companies just due to shipping increase. You know, because I want to get the best for my buck, so that way I don't have to sell bars of soap for $9 a bar, you know, but they are good soaps. I mean, but I just don't want to, it's just been hard. I mean, with everything going on and just trying to get supplies. All right, this is Supreme Gloss, and I've never seen that before. And the shade is Naked in the Dark. Most likely going to keep this because it's new. Well, let me look at it first. Oh, I don't know. Alright, that's the color. I'm probably not going to keep that. That's not something I wear. A little bit too cool tone for me. I like, even though, oh, so I'll show you. This is my gray growing out. And I do still have some brown mixed in. But it's giving my skin like a little more of a cool tone. So I've been trying to cool it down, except for I love warm tones. Because my skin is actually warm toned. Alright, so I'm up to 12 minutes already. This is Heaven's Gate, the gloss. This is real pretty. I think I've seen this. I think I've seen Rich Lux got this one. I'm not going to open that. That might go in a giveaway as well. Everybody knows what that one looks like. And last but not least, I'm going to go, that's Blood Money, right? The Blood Money palette. Also, let's check it to make sure that it's not broken. And I'll ask my daughter first if she wants this. If not, this will go into a giveaway when I get to 500 subscribers. If I can get it open, we'll look at it. I don't want to rip it. I love Blood Money. It's one of my favorite palettes of his. I like, my all-time favorite is Jawbreaker because you can do so many different looks. Number 2 is the Blood Money. And then Cremated and Orgy are like when you just, like, say you want to do a look with this. And it's all intact. I'm going to hold the plastic on. And you want to do a look with this, but you know, you want to use black. Well, then grab Cremated because it has an amazing matte black in it. And the same thing with Orgy. You know, you want to do a look browns and greens, but you want a different matte green than what's available in this palette. Grab Orgy and do it. I mean, Orgy and Cremated like brought different ways to make looks with all the other palettes, giving you more neutral. Now this Star Ranch, I'm really digging it. I'm gonna try to get this back in here. I'll do that later. I'll get that back in there. But anyway, I'm thinking the gloss, this, the Blood Money palette, and if I get 500 subscribers, that will be the first giveaway. And if it's not the Blood Money, I have Blue Blood and Blood Sugar. So maybe I'll give somebody a choice. We'll see. I'm thinking my daughter didn't want Blood Money, but we'll see. We'll see. So that's my unboxing video. I'm going to put this all in here. I'll decide on the mirror later if I want to keep the mirror or not. It's cute. I know everybody, you know, collects Jeffree's mirrors, but my favorite so far is that Soft Touch, the Brown Star one I got in the last mystery box. And I love this one. The Jeffree Star approved. I like it because it's nice, big, and round. And, of course, that one up there in the back, that's the first mirror I ever got. I think it was like a spring or Easter, or it was in one of those boxes. And I have the pig mirror from Shane's, him and Shane's collection. So, alrighty then. I'm going to put this all away. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And like I said, if I get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to do a nice giveaway. And the giveaway is going to have a lip scrub, the gloss in Heaven's Gate, the lip liner in Leo, and the Naked in the Dark Supreme Gloss. That's something I won't wear. It's way too cool toned. And a palette, a Jeffree Star palette. So, please like and subscribe. And until next time, bye.